everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install a carpet reducer. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we will be using a battery-powered drill with a Phillips tip bit, some screws, your carpet reducer, the channel for your carpet reducer, and a razor blade. Now the purpose of a carpet reducer is to be able to lay it right down next to your hardwood floor or laminate floor and have a nice straight edge that goes across your carpet without having any overlap onto your carpet, unlike a T-molding where it's to join two floors together with an overlap on each side. So the first step in this is to take the provided channel and put it between your carpet and your other flooring. Then take the screws and screw it down into place. Now we're going to take our carpet reducer, put it right on that channel, and push it down just a little bit. After you have it down in there a little bit, we're going to take our razor blade and we're going to run it right across the side of the carpet reducer so that way we have a nice straight edge. You want to make sure that you get it as close to that as possible. You don't want a gap left in there. After that, we'll go ahead and remove all the scraps. Then take and just knock your carpet reducer down inside that channel. As you see, we have a nice tight connection between our carpet and our carpet reducer, and then a nice transition to our laminate floor. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about how to install a carpet reducer. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.